In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of special deals and discounts on the Temu platform using coupons and referral codes. Whether you're new to online shopping or an experienced bargain hunter, these insights can help you make your purchases even more rewarding. So, stay tuned as we walk through the process step by step. First, let's get things started by heading over to the Temu website. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Temu URL in the address bar to navigate there. Alternatively, you can use a search engine like Google to find the Temu site. Once you've reached the homepage, take a moment to log into your account if you're not already signed in. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the simple sign-up instructions usually found at the top right corner of the site. Now it's time to move on to finding some valuable offers. For this, you'll need to visit your profile section. Look towards the top of the page, often near your account icon, and click on it to access your profile options. Once you're there, you should see a variety of options and settings for managing your account. What you're looking for is the Coupon and Offers tab. Clicking on this will take you to the dedicated section where you can manage and apply any promotional codes you might have. Once you're in the Coupon and Offers section, there are typically two main parts you'll want to focus on, the Unused and Used tabs. The Unused area is key for us right now. Here's where you can see any coupons or referral codes that you haven't applied yet. If you have a referral code ready, this is where you'll want to enter it. Simply type or paste the referral code into the provided field. Once you've entered your code, click on the Apply button to activate it. As soon as you apply a referral code, any eligible discounts or offers associated with that code should be applied to your account. These discounts can often be used during the checkout process to reduce the total cost of your shopping cart. Just make sure to take note of any terms and conditions associated with the promo codes, such as expiry dates or minimum purchase amounts, as these can impact your ability to use them successfully. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly apply coupons and enjoy great discounts on your Temu purchases. Remember, always be on the lookout for new referral codes and promotional offers to maximize your savings. Happy shopping and enjoy making the most of your online buying experience with Temu.